Hello, and welcome to the Reference Documents tutorial on how to review other documents inside the project folder using the Rockwell Automation Connected Component Accelerator Toolkit. If you recall from before, when you generated your project, you chose a place to save it. Look in your computer files and find where you saved your document. In my case, I went to Libraries, Documents, CCAT, Simple Labeler Demo, the name of the project. Notice that the project folder does hold the project name, as well as all the documents and files inside the folder. You can also access the project document that we viewed in the previous video, which is the Word document right here. The Generate Temp file holds the logic and HMI files used to generate and program for your project and can be deleted if not desired. The Programming folder actually holds the CCW file and project controller information. CCW file and controller information. The last two folders hold the CAD files, or whatever you chose to have produced during the generate stage, and the literature, which contains the quick start guides. If you open the CAD file, you'll see a folder of whatever you chose. If you chose IEC, there'll be an IEC folder. If you chose NFPA, there'll be that folder. We chose NFPA. I chose to make AutoCAD PDF and ePlan PDF. If we go into AutoCAD PDF, if you open up this, notice how the name is the same as what we named that temperature control, heat tunnel. This document holds the same name as that. These are drawings for anything that you added into your project. So do take note that any of these files have the names of the products that we used while developing the project. Conveyor, separator, sponge. Notice how we also have panel layout and various footprint files that are automatically added when the project is generated. We have our panel and enclosure layout right here. Control circuit, input-output circuit, and footprint files right here. Going back, if you click on the Proposal Works document, which is the one right here, Proposal Works file, you'll be able to see your bill of material. The file is labeled the same as your project still, just like everything else. Also, the various products still hold the names that were given to them during the development of the project. Sponge 1A. You can still change the amount here in the bill of materials, but this will not change anything in your programming or anywhere else. You can also delete things if you do not want them without affecting your project. So if you did not actually want an HMI screen, you can delete it here. Notice on the left-hand side there is still a full catalog list of Rockwell Automation products. You can use this as well to switch, change, or add products. You can enter in price agreements here. And you can view any and all of the products that you entered. You'll have to save and refresh, as well as adding in the cost to be able to see your quote. This concludes the tutorial for reference documents. To continue with this project and learn about your project in CCW, select the next video, CCW Programming Summary. Thank you for watching the reference document tutorial for the Connected Components Accelerator Toolkit.